Hello everybody, I am Kovleen from Satpal Middle School. I am a science teacher and today we would be exploring the Google search. We know Google search is the most widely used search engine. This is the preface of Google search and let's start. We have to search for the meaning of a difficult word from your subject in Google search. Alright, so my subject is science. So I'll put in a word related to it, pollination, and then I will click on meaning. As we can see that the meaning of pollination clearly is shown here. It's the transfer of pollen to stigma, and all the information related to pollination would come when we put pollination word in the search bar. All right, next, we need to find similar websites of a particular website or a search query. All right, I'll just put in Oxford, which is an institution here, and I'll click. So we can see there are University of Oxford open. We would go to this icon, click it down, and then click on similar. So when we click on similar, so related sites to this word Oxford would open, like Cambridge is another institute which is similar to Oxford. So all those similar sites would open here. So that's how we go about it. Next, search for an exact phrase or match of your search query. All right, so we have to go and search for a word which is exact. So for that, I would exactly write the proper word. Like if I want definition of something, I would type define and then I will write the word fertilization. So when I say define fertilization, I directly get the definition. As you can see, this is the definition written here. And not only that, I can even get the pronunciation of the word. So by clicking on this, I get the pronunciation as well. So this is how we get the exact information about that word. Now search for a particular text with missing words. All right. Now, for example, I type here health and I'm not sure about the next word. So I will put an asterisk and then enter. So Health Ministry, Department of Health, Health and Safety, Health and Medicine. So it gives me all the options which I could relate. Okay, next is search for a particular image in search, which type of image should be animated, size should be more than 2 megapixel, time should be past week, and usage rights should be labeled for reuse. All right. Okay. So now I'll click on images and then I'll write flower. So it will show me the images of flower. Now I'll go to tools and I'll click on type and then click on animated. So it shows me the animated images. Then I'll click on size and go to larger than 2 MB. All right, what was next? It should say that the time should be past week and usage rights. All right, so I'll click on time, then click on past week, and then click on usage rights and labeled for reuse. So this is how it is supposed to be done. All right, next, use voice search to search for a particular text. All right, to search for a particular text by voice search, I'll go to the Google search. I'll click on this mic and say the word dance. Dance. Here, matching videos. All right, I just said the word how and say the word dance. So it has picked up those words and say the word dance and showed me all the videos or websites related to it. So that's how voice search is supposed to be done. Next, search for a particular text excluding a particular word. Like I want to, for this, Like I want to search for Taj Mahal, but then I'm not talking about tea. So I'll write Taj Mahal minus tea and enter. So it would show me about the Taj Mahal structure and not about Taj Mahal tea that we use. So that's how we do the search for a particular text. Okay, search for the price of a particular gadget in a specific range. All right, let the gadget be laptop, and if I have to search for a particular range, I will write gadget under, so laptop under 30,000, and it will show me all the details of laptops which come under the price range of 30,000. So that's how we search for it. Next is use conversion to convert from one unit to another. All right, for that, I would be using unit converter. And when I click add, you can see the unit converter here. Now, whichever unit I want to convert, like I want to convert 1 kilometer into meter. So it shows me that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So that's how unit converter is used. All right, use reverse image feature and search for an image in Google search. All right, for this, I need to go to www.images.google.com. Then I need to click on this image. There are two ways. Either I can upload an image from my computer, or I can paste the image URL from the net. Let me see if I have a picture. All right. So I have clicked on a picture, I've uploaded a picture. So all the pictures which are related, which are similar to the picture that I uploaded, I can see here. I can see the images, I can see other websites related to it. So that's how reverse image search is done. Now search for restaurants near you and its details. All right, for restaurants, I'll just write restaurants near me and click on it. Now you will see that it shows me the restaurants which are near my place, and for its details I will just click on that restaurant and get all the information which is related to that specific restaurant that I want to go. So you can see the details of that restaurant coming here. So that's how we search everything on Google, and I hope I have covered all the points and I have not missed upon any of the point. All right, yes. So thank you so much for being so patient and listening to me. Till the next video. Bye bye.